Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Friday morning, it's just after 7:30. Just going to go for a walk along the seafront and into the town and watch Blackpool open up. Hopefully it's going to be a very busy weekend. The temperature's certainly very good forecast for the weekend. And it's about 18, 19 now. And so we're on about 7:30. So it's going to be a warm few days. Look at that tower. Can you see that tower? It's a bit misty here in Blackpool, but very still and calm. We get a better shot of that tower when we get up the top. Glimpse of the sunrise up there. Of course we get good sunsets, but it's the other side when the sun rises in Blackpool. Let's continue our walk. It's so calm and refreshing this time of the day. I've done a few of these morning ones, so I thought I'd do one again. Some people seem to enjoy them. Just here at North Pier, this caged corner here seems to be start to be emptied at long last, with all the rubbish was sitting there. Now we've got some new owners. Slowly things will start to change. It's going to be a slow progress, of course. Of course, as I've got closer to the tower, the mist has cleared. It's still a good shot. Not seen one of them before, a Shanagan's van. As most of you know, the Tourist Information Centre Visit Blackpool, that used to be next to the wedding chapel, is now at the back of the tower, almost near the entrance to Primark. What makes me think there's going to be a few people sitting here later on today. Yeah, you've got to grab these early morning ones while you can. It's not that early, but it's earlier than what I normally do. We've done a few of them now. Yeah, these early ones, they're not for the people watchers, even though there's a lot of people about, wandering about and going to work. Let's have a wander through the town. I forgot to mention or show you the lollipops, but they're standing upright this morning. No wind whatsoever. Yeah, that's Blackpool Information Centre there. You're never alone when you come out for a walk in Blackpool. There's always people about. In Victoria Street, and this work is continuing in this unit, which, as far as I'm aware, is still going to be a Tesco's. Yeah, the Costa Brigade is outside already. I thought I might have caught somebody having a pint outside Wetherspoons. I can't remember what time they open, but I'm sure if they were open, yes, it's 8 o'clock now. There will be somebody having a pint out there. Don't forget they got the new roof terrace here as well. Little bit of Church Street here. All the chairs and the menus are out. Intro lounge here. Looks like we've got a police information centre here set up today next to Blackpool Church. It's a blue shoe exhibition, whatever a blue shoe exhibition is. I don't really know. Blue shoe exhibition. 150 suspected suicides were linked to domestic abuse. Each pair of blue shoes represents a lost life. Yeah, very sad. Yeah, that's what they've got going on here today. So I presume this is all shoes that have been found. So it's suspected the worst has happened here. Yeah, so let me know if you like these early morning empty Blackpool town centre walks. Something about the air and the walking this time of the morning, it's just different to the daytime. I'm a people watcher, so you know, people going to work and watching what they're doing so early in the morning. I keep saying early, it is to me, and it is to some people. I have done a couple of earlier ones, it just depends what time I wake up and how much sleep I've had. That's the main thing. Hamilton barbecue here, which is barbecue for the breakfast very shortly. Right, I'll leave this morning walk here in the middle of Dixon Road. Still very misty, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this little short walk round Blackpool. And if you're here at the end, thank you for watching. And I hope you all have a good weekend. And of course I will be back out very soon, because it's the weekend. Take care, everybody.